While listening to Daniel Romano's
What are you
mixtape-
doing in my house?
What are you doing here? Oh, you
I live here.
Oh. While listening to Daniel's Romano tape,
Daniel's Romano.
Actually, I decided that I didn't want to be soaked again like last week. And since Dan always needs his kringloop shizzles for Christmas time, I thought, hey, it's almost Christmas time.
Also, we finished Tour de Girl, so I think it's time for a little
relaxing
celebration.
So
let's go thrifting.
Let's go.
Is this what a Monday feels like? So what happened, Joep? What did we just find out? It's Monday.
It's not raining, and every thrift shop is closed.
But, contrary to popular belief, every thrift shop in Belgium is open.
What?
Yeah, so we're actually starting in the north of the province in the Netherlands, where it has an open one, and then we go back through the Belgian ones, some of which we haven't seen yet.
It's a bit of a Belgium to the Meuse light version.
Ah, that just makes sense. Ladies and gentlemen, and not ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Budel, where I've actually never been. So, what's happening? You wants to grab the camera.
There's roadblocks everywhere, and I want to be safe and sound. We both never been here, I think. Oh, this is why I grabbed the camera. Kringloopwinkel en wijkplaats Verderest. I don't know what's Verderest there, but
it means all of the other stuff. Like
it's ver, that's for sure. It's very far.
Yeah. Verderest. Here we are.
We thought they misspelled it, but it's official the name.
Well, it's officially misspelled.
Oh, I've been here once.
You've been here once?
Yeah.
Look at that. Go ahead. The lady was worried that I was gonna drive over her, but I didn't. Joep has been here once.
Yeah, there was a very old American car parked outside, but it looks more fancy than it did. Let's check out the inside.
And it starts with records. That is always a good sign, isn't it? Joep was just complaining about how shit the records were, and while he was complaining, I found the Beatles. I'm so sorry, Joep. Oh jeez.
She left me for Jesus.
How much for Jesus?
$22.50. It's a bargain.
Bargain bin Jesus.
Oh, there are a lot of Jesus here. It's a holy
Jesus. Thunderbirds are go. Also, the prices here have gone a bit crazy because €3.50 for a Rubik's Cube. What the hell? 15 for an incomplete.
$12.50 for St. Joseph.
For Joep. He's buying himself. It's a well sorted thrift shop, this. It looks very pretty. Except for the dude with the hat, of course. The reason there's so much good stuff here is because it's all overpriced. Because this is a really cool radio. Cassette radio. Alarm clock with missing buttons, €25. We have the Jumbo mouse, XXL. It's definitely XXL, that is one massive mouse. Joep has found a projector.
Beam me up, Scotty.
Beam me up. A real Skytronic projector, wow. Joep has left the building. Welcome to the Patio. Where it is honestly more of the same, just slightly colder.
Yeah.
In the category of things you didn't know you needed, disco Christmas baubles. I mean, come on. Joep and I may have gone slightly Christmas selfie crazy just now. I guess this is gonna be a thumbnail. Not too bad for 75 cents, but honestly, prices here are absolutely ridiculous. And they have very little in the name of electronics. So let's go to the next one, which I think is in Belgium already. We're clearly still in the Netherlands. And this is a joke for the Dutch people. You just suggested, if I don't know which windmill this is, that he looks it up on Wikipedia. I'm sorry, non-Dutch speaking people, it's actually really funny. Thus, we are entering the country where thrift shops are open on Mondays.
And the rest is not.
And the rest is not, but that's not our priority today. Welcome to Belgium.
Whoa, there's even a border crossing pole.
So because of a lovely government, I didn't vote for them, we will get border controls again. And that will start in 7 days?
December 9th.
Yeah, it's now December 2nd, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a good thing that it's not the 9th yet, because Joep didn't take his passport. We have almost arrived at the thrift shop in Bocholt, Belgium. No idea what to expect. I didn't look up any reviews, we just went there. And it's nice and sunny here, Joep.
Yeah, we skipped. Never mind.
Yeah, we failed. We're failing hard. Right, thrift shop, Kringwinkel in Belgium, in Bocholt. Let's see what we find here. It's Christmas. I have no shame. Joep's actually jealous, right, Joep?
Mm-hmm, very. He was successful.
I was successful, and Joep has a Lionel Richie single, so I think he is. We gotta give up on him.
Yeah, handsome boy. I would have bought that.
Thank you, I am a handsome boy. Joep, do you need anything? Or are you good?
I want to check out the snacks.
The snacks, let's go get the snacks. Joep's got a spring in his step and he's speeding up. That can only mean one thing. He's found the beers. In a shocking change of events, it is I who has the beers and Joep who has no beers because he didn't find anything to his liking in Belgium. What is going on with the world?
Standards, this is shitty beers actually.
To be honest, only one of the two beers that I got was actually Belgian, the other one's Scottish. So in the Netherlands, when you buy alcohol and you use the self-checkout scanner things, you will get random checks of your age, or you will just always get a check of your age, right? When
they
you
had
buy
a
alcohol.
boldometer, so they
they saw I'm balding, so I must be older than 16. No, the machine literally asked, "Are you older than 16?" I was like, "Yeah," and then it was fine, because Belgium.
Washing is real in this one.
Why do you feel grossed out? What did you touch?
The world.
The world.
Other people.
Oh!
Stan, are you fucking up again?
My meat is escaping.
You have the biggest sandwich I ever encountered recently. Is it with the boulette and a cocktail sauce?
Mm-hmm.
I also got something. A gift from Nicole.
It's meatloaf, right?
Yeah.
I just paused Daniel Romano to show you Joep's meatloaf. Also, did you hear that thud just now, Joep?
Yeah.
Yeah, part of my meatball fell between the seat and the door. It's not a very rigid thing, this. So, where is it? How hairy is it? Oh.
Looking for your hairy ball?
Look at the other side. Look at the other side. There's a rainbow, man. Look at the other side. There you go. We are in the town of Bocholt again. Still, actually. That's what Joep thinks of it, but I think it's quite cute.
It is.
And here they are brewing the future. I see big tanks. Here's brewery Martens.
Martens beer.
Martens beer. Looking good, looking fine. We're on our way to Bree. Still in Belgium. All of this will be Belgium. Another thrift shop I haven't been yet. Let's have a look. Have you been there?
Yes, as my girlfriend lived in Eindhoven once. I was here before, so it could be that said only 8 minutes drive, but I was here as well, but I only know if we're there.
We found the next one and it looks dodgy as fuck.
We're going deeper underground.
This is my first thrift shop with underground parking.
Whoa, look at that.
It's a rusty Volvo.
Very nice.
Well, let's find a spot here. Oh, there's a spot. Let's park right here. So there is a sign saying that this is the entrance.
And then it's open.
And that it's open. So let's go and see.
Oh, yes.
It's Christmas. Joep is following his nose, this time not so much for beer, but for records. I'm gonna follow the Joep, I guess.
Chaos.
Cow calendar. Best way to get a printer. Just buy a simple laser printer at the thrift shop. That's pretty much all of the stuff that I would buy here, because honestly, well, that was a short hop. Not much for us here, unfortunately. The plan was to get closer to my home, but we're going slightly further into Belgium because there was a few more thrift shops that we would omit otherwise. And considering how quickly the last one went, we were like, well, we may as well, right?
True fact.
What I said. Google Maps seems to have lost the plot and it's thinking that we can do 120 kilometers an hour here.
Let me check it on the sign here.
I mean, the sign says 90, which I think is more than fast enough, so it looks like we are in Peer, which means pear in Dutch/Belgian. And there should be a thrift shop somewhere here, but I wonder if we can park here. I think we can. It is here, but they call it Kringboutique, so now I'm worried. So on Google Maps they call it a thrift shop, but it's actually called a thrift boutique, pretty much. Which usually means it just has clothes. And I already have clothes, as you can see. You cannot see my nipples, or his nipples.
Nipples.
Nipples. I have a lisp, apparently.
Great video.
A great video, anyway.
Oh,
yeah, well,
get back to
yeah.
the
Yep, we don't have to, yeah. Well,
Bye.
that's a waste of petrol. Welcome to the center of Peer, which actually looks very cute. Joep knows a good kebabs place, but I just had, what was that? But I just had lunch. Is there a bar though? Probably not, because it's Monday. We decided to find a bar closer to home, and Joep just raised his thumb. Did you find something?
Yes, Mosaic has pretty much open bars.
Okay, so we're gonna go
Boring.
to one or two more thrift shops. Last one is in Mosaic, and then we'll find a bar there. And that's right across the water from where I live, so all good. Okido, second to last one on this somewhat disappointing thrifting trip. We didn't find much. Where are we now anyway? Which town is this?
Op Grimby,
Op Grimby, Opglabbeek, I think.
Opglabbeek. Oh yeah,
Grimby
it's
is near
close
you.
to.
Yeah.
Oh, can you film the front of this road?
What are we looking at? That hill there?
Mm-hmm.
What about the hill?
Yeah, what about it, Stijn?
Is that the hills? No.
It is.
Ah! Oh, look at that! We are accidentally doing our old trip. Actually, the thrift shop was there. We just missed it. Man, I think I found the entrance, but I'm not completely sure.
Yes, here it is.
Where?
Here, the orange open sign.
Ah,
oh,
open.
It's a massive thing.
It's a massive building, but do they have massive stuff? That is the question.
Let's find out.
Well, it's Christmas.
It's Christmas time.
Joep just said this thrift shop is massive because he's been here before, and indeed it is. It also has a basement, but that only seems to have furniture.
It's a good idee.
Hij is meer dan een beetje ontstemd. Joep's gonna start with the 7 inches. If you start on one side, I'll start on the other side. It's a challenge.
Dit gaat niet.
We're creating chaos here, but we're making it through the selection of 7 inches. Joep, what did you find so far? Some
crap.
Disco? Crap. But you're buying crap, aren't you?
Yeah, we need the disco for the weddings. If we plaatjes draaien, if you turn plaatjes.
If he's DJing.
DJ.
His brain is not cooperating, it seems. Joep is checking out the stuff he's potentially buying.
Great success.
Joep.
Oh. Whoa, that was the slowest till line
Oh my goodness.
since ages.
We spent 15 minutes waiting for our turn, even though there's only 3 people before.
I've been waiting.
Oh, so I think this is one more thrift shop before we get to our beers, because we still will.
Quick beer before we go.
Quick beer, but this is the least amount of electronics I've ever bought at thrift shops.
We did see quite of a bit of the Belgium countryside.
It was a pretty nice drive, yeah. This is too.
And it was sunny all along.
Yeah, we should have walked in Belgium apparently. Oh well. We did go a bit crazy on the 7-inch singles just now, so we did quite a lot of those. There's a truck pulling out in front of me, but all is well. Off to the last thrift shop in Mazeik, and then to the well-deserved beers in Mazeik.
Wow.
Wow. Last but not least, with the sunshine upon us still, we should have walked. We will walk next week, we promise, so it's gonna be shit weather again, isn't it?
Yes.
Last thrift shop of today, Kringwinkel Maasland in Mazeik. Here we go.
Finally a place without Christmas. Oh no.
Spoke too soon.
Rocket Man! Oh, a nice room.
Oh, you just had some of that. Guess what Joep is doing? Single boy. Joep has given up. He started looking for beer as well here. No,
Salad in the jar.
beer?
Oxygen.
Oxy beer. Lack of time, change of plans. In case you wonder why we're in a supermarket, well, we don't have time to go to a bar, and we don't have time to cool our beers. So we're in a Belgian supermarket near the border, near my house, getting cooled beers and drinking them at home. Here we go.
Oh. Stijn boy,
Yeah.
to the most walkless sunny day of 2024.
Into the Meuse history.
Oh.
Take it away.
Cuckoo!